As artificial intelligence, AI, continues to revolutionize the way we live and work, the impact of the technology on our jobs and future of work is increasingly becoming a source of concern. This blog post will explore what AI is, the benefits and impacts of AI on job creation, understanding the risks of AI automation, strategies for adapting to AI automation, and what to expect when it comes to AI in the workplace. What is AI and how is it changing the future of work? AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI is changing the future of work by automating many of the tasks that used to be done manually. AI-powered machines are able to learn, analyze, and process data more quickly and accurately than humans, while also helping to reduce costs and increase productivity. AI is already being used in many industries, from healthcare and finance to retail and transportation. AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for customer service, and AI-driven automation is being used to streamline workflows and optimize business processes. AI is also being used in recruitment, with many employers using AI-based algorithms to assess job applicants and identify the best candidates for a role. Benefits and impacts of AI on job creation. AI has the potential to create new jobs, as well as to replace existing ones. As AI-powered technologies become more advanced, they are likely to create new opportunities for employment, as well as new tasks and roles that humans will be needed to perform. For example, AI can be used to automate mundane tasks, leaving humans to focus on more complex tasks that require creativity and problem-solving skills. This could lead to the creation of new jobs that require a higher level of expertise, such as data scientists or AI engineers. AI can also increase productivity and efficiency, allowing businesses to do more with less. This could lead to more jobs being created as businesses are able to expand their operations. AI can also be used to help improve customer service and enhance the customer experience, which could lead to increased sales and more employment opportunities. Understanding the risks of AI automation. Despite the potential benefits of AI on job creation, there are also risks associated with the technology. AI automation could lead to job losses in some sectors, as machines are able to do the same job more quickly and accurately than humans. This could lead to layoffs and a decrease in job security for many workers. AI can also lead to the widening of the skills gap. As AI-powered technologies become more advanced, workers may need to develop new skills to remain employable. This could lead to a growing divide between those with the necessary skills and those without. Strategies for adapting to AI automation. In order to prepare for the impact of AI on job creation, it is important to develop strategies for adapting to the technology. One way to do this is to focus on developing the skills that are most likely to be in demand in the future. This could include learning new technologies, such as coding, as well as developing soft skills, such as problem-solving, communication, and critical thinking. It is also important to stay up to date on the latest trends in AI, as well as any developments in the field. This will help to ensure that you are well prepared for any changes in the job market. Additionally, employers should consider investing in training and education initiatives to ensure that their employees are able to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI. How to use AI to improve productivity. AI can be used to improve productivity in many different ways. For example, AI-driven automation can be used to streamline processes, while AI-powered machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns or insights. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots can be used to provide 24/7 customer service, freeing up employees to focus on more complex tasks. AI can also be used to help with decision-making. AI-powered algorithms can analyze data and provide insights that can help inform decisions, as well as detect any potential risks or issues. This can help to ensure that decisions are made more quickly and accurately. AI in the workplace. What to expect. AI is already being used in many workplaces, and its use is likely to continue to increase in the future. AI-powered automation is likely to become increasingly common, with machines taking over many of the mundane tasks that were once done manually. Additionally, AI-powered applications such as chatbots and virtual assistants are likely to become more popular, as they can provide 24/7 customer service and help to streamline workflows. AI is also likely to be used to help with recruitment, as employers use AI-based algorithms to identify the best candidates for a role. AI can also be used to help with performance reviews, as well as to help with decision-making. Pros and cons of AI. Like any technology, AI has both positive and negative impacts. On the one hand, AI has the potential to create new jobs, as well as to increase productivity and efficiency. On the other hand, AI automation could lead to job losses, as well as an increase in the skills gap between those with the necessary skills and those without. AI training and education. In order to prepare for the impact of AI on the future of work, it is important to invest in training and education initiatives. This could include providing employees with the opportunity to learn new technologies, such as coding and machine learning, as well as developing soft skills, such as communication and problem solving. It is also important to stay up to date on the latest developments in AI and any changes in the job market. This will help to ensure that employees are well prepared for any changes in the workplace. Additionally, employers should consider investing in AI-focused training and education initiatives to ensure that their employees are able to stay up to date with the latest developments in the field. Education and skills building for the future of work. The increasing use of AI in the workplace means that employees need to be equipped with the skills and knowledge to stay relevant. This could include learning new technologies, such as coding, as well as developing soft skills, such as problem solving and communication. Additionally, it is important to stay up to date on the latest developments in AI and any changes in the job market. Employers should also consider investing in training and education initiatives to ensure that their employees are able to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI. This could include providing employees with the opportunity to attend conferences and seminars, as well as investing in online courses and certifications. Legal and regulatory challenges of AI in the workplace. As AI continues to become increasingly prevalent in the workplace, there are a number of legal and regulatory challenges that must be addressed. For example, AI-powered applications and algorithms must comply with privacy and data protection laws. Additionally, employers must ensure that AI-powered systems are used ethically and in accordance with the law. Furthermore, employers are responsible for ensuring that their employees are adequately protected from any potential risks associated with AI. This could include implementing policies and procedures to ensure that AI-powered technologies are used responsibly, as well as providing employees with the necessary training and education to ensure that they understand how to use the technology safely and ethically. AI and ethical considerations. As AI becomes increasingly prevalent in the workplace, it is important to consider the ethical implications of using the technology. It is important to ensure that AI-powered technologies are used responsibly and in accordance with ethical principles. For example, employers should ensure that AI-powered systems are not used to discriminate against any particular group or individual. Additionally, it is important to consider the potential impact of AI on job security and job creation. It is important to ensure that AI-powered technologies are used responsibly and ethically, and that employees are adequately protected from any potential risks associated with the technology. Conclusion. AI is revolutionizing the way we work, and the impact of the technology on job creation is increasingly becoming a source of concern. In order to prepare for the future of work in the AI era, it is important to understand the benefits and impacts of AI on job creation, as well as the risks associated with the technology. It is also important to develop strategies for adapting to AI automation, as well as investing in training and education initiatives to ensure that employees are well prepared for any changes in the job market. Furthermore, it is important to consider the ethical implications of using AI in the workplace, and to ensure that AI-powered technologies are used responsibly and ethically. Will AI put your job at risk? Understanding the future of work in the AI era is a complex and ever-changing topic, and this blog post has only scratched the surface. For more information and advice on navigating the future of work in the AI era, please feel free to check out my YouTube channel and please subscribe if you like my post. Uncovering the impact of AI on your job. Understanding the future of work in the AI era.